Hi gang, I'm heading south on I-25 to go check out the listing that I'm going to be holding open on Saturday with my good friend Alia Alvarez. We will be there to show you this vacant property. It is brand new, never been lived in. So we're getting off now at Castle Pines Parkway. And then we're going to take a left onto Hess Road. Turning at Canyonside Boulevard. And then we're going to take the very first left on Canyon Forge. When you get to this circle, just take a right. The property we're going to see is vacant at the moment. It is a brand new house, has not been lived in. Brand new carpet, brand new everything. It is built, vacant, ready to sell. So we are going to help her do that. Again, we'll be holding it open on Saturday, this Saturday, the 8th of October from noon to 3. So come on by and see us. You don't have to be in the market. You can just come on by and see what $988,000 will buy you in Colorado. In this brand new area. It is just stunning.
Turn left onto Rim Ridge Drive, then turn left onto Canyon Point Road.
Actually, I have a couple of friends who live in here, both realtors. New construction in here still, but it will be finished before too long. Wow, this is right up on the top of the peak. What a view. Oh my gosh, will you look at this? Holy cow. Look at that view of the lake, open space behind. This is ultimate location. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, new. Never been lived in. Brand new house, ready to go. Okay, you want to see the rest? You gotta come see me. Come see me on Saturday from 12 to 3 in the Canyons, Castle Rock, south of Denver, just north of the main town of Castle Rock. Come see this beautiful place. Woo-hoo.